Hello, I'm Andrew Miller, and I've been a council member of the Arts Council of Wales for 9 years, stepping down at the end of my term next year. In that time, I've been witness to big changes at the Arts Council. I've been privileged to variously support, challenge, and influence the organisation as it's developed its understanding of diversity and inclusion, as it has devised world-leading initiatives like HINT, the Arts Access Card for Disabled People, as it's promoted Welsh artists internationally at the Venice Biennale and the Edinburgh Festival, as it supported major capital infrastructure projects like Pontio in Bangor, and ensured high-quality arts activity takes place all over Wales, from community halls and schools to illustrious venues and galleries. The council is far from being a rubber stamping board, and individual council members bring their own lived experience and expertise to the table, making valuable interventions that shape cultural policy in Wales and that dictate how a public body spends taxpayers' and lottery players' money. Being a council member also opens up doors to skills perhaps you didn't realise you had. That's certainly been my experience, and I've learned so much about strategy setting, good governance, about Wales and its vibrant culture. The Welsh Government are currently recruiting for new council members. So if you're passionate about the arts in Wales, and especially if you belong to an underrepresented group, if you're disabled, LGBT, Black or Asian, let me encourage you to apply to bring your own lived experience to the Arts Council. Because as the arts face an uncertain future in the 2020s, your voice at the council table could make all the difference.